Hi, Alex. What a nice surprise. I did not expect to see you here on a Friday evening. Are you here to relax after work?
Hi, Sophia. Yes, I am. Friday was busy, so I wanted a quiet place and a cold drink. This cafe feels calm, and that is exactly what I need tonight.
I feel the same way. This week was long for me too, and I am happy it is finally the weekend. Do you already have any plans for Saturday and Sunday?
I have a few ideas, but nothing is fixed yet. I may go out on Saturday morning and stay home on Sunday afternoon. I want a weekend that is simple, fun, and not too stressful.
That sounds nice. I always want to do many things on the weekend, but sometimes I get tired and do not finish them. This time, I want to plan better and also leave some time to rest.
That is a smart idea. If we plan too much, the weekend feels like another work schedule. I think the best weekend has a little fun, a little rest, and a little time for useful things.
Yes, exactly. On Saturday morning, I want to sleep a little longer because I wake up early every day. After that, I may meet my friend Lily for breakfast and coffee near the park.
Breakfast with a friend sounds perfect for Saturday. I may go to the gym in the morning because I skipped it twice this week. After that, I want to walk around downtown and maybe buy a few things.
Oh, shopping is on my list too. I need a new notebook, some shampoo, and maybe a light sweater if I find a good one. I do not want to spend too much money, so I will try to be careful.
That is always the hard part. I often go to a store for one thing and come home with four things. This weekend, I only need coffee beans, a phone charger, and a birthday card for my cousin.
At least your list is short and clear. My list starts small, but then I remember many little things for my room and kitchen. I also want to look at shoes, but I am not sure I really need new shoes.
Maybe you can look first and decide later. That helps me sometimes because I do not like buying things too quickly. If I still want the item after one day, then I know it is a good choice.
That is good advice. After shopping, I think I want to watch a movie in the evening. I have been in the mood for a funny movie because I do not want anything sad or heavy this weekend.
I understand that very well. After a long week, a light movie is better than a serious one. I heard there is a new comedy at the cinema, and some people say it is simple but very entertaining.
A comedy sounds perfect. I also like staying home and watching a movie with snacks and a blanket. Going out is fun, but sometimes being at home feels warmer and more comfortable.
I agree. Home can be the best place on a weekend, especially on Saturday night. I may cook something easy, turn off my phone for a while, and watch a film without thinking about work.
That sounds peaceful. On Sunday morning, I really need to clean my apartment. My desk is messy, my laundry basket is full, and I still have books on the floor from last week.
Sunday cleaning is very common for me too. I usually open the windows, play music, and clean one room at a time. If I do it slowly, it feels less boring and much easier.
Music helps a lot. When I clean in silence, I stop after 10 minutes and sit down. But with music, I can fold clothes, wash dishes, and organize my shelves without feeling so tired.
That is true. I also like to make a simple list before I start, such as laundry, kitchen, bathroom, and trash. When I finish each task, I feel good because I can see real progress.
I should try that this Sunday. After cleaning, I want to meet two friends in the afternoon for bubble tea and a short walk. We have not seen each other for almost 2 weeks, so it will be nice to catch up.
That sounds like a lovely plan. I may meet an old friend on Sunday too, because he is in town for only one day. We are thinking about lunch together and then maybe a walk by the river.
I like weekends with little moments like that. They do not have to be big or expensive to feel special. Good food, fresh air, and good company are often enough for a happy day.
I feel the same. Some of my best weekends are very simple. A good meal, a clean home, a nice conversation, and enough sleep can make Monday feel much easier.
You are right. I also want to call my parents on Sunday evening. I try to talk to them every weekend because they always ask how I am doing and if I am eating well.
That is very sweet. Family calls matter a lot, even when they are short. I usually call my sister on Sunday night, and we talk about work, food, and funny things from the week.
Do you ever make Sunday dinner at home? I am thinking about cooking pasta with vegetables and maybe making a small salad. I want something easy, healthy, and not too expensive.
Yes, I do. Sunday dinner at home feels calm and comforting to me. I may make grilled chicken, rice, and some roasted vegetables because it is simple and I can use the leftovers on Monday.
That is a great idea. I always feel better when I prepare a little food for the next day. It saves time on Monday morning, and it helps me start the week in a better mood.
Exactly. A little planning on Sunday can make the whole week smoother. Even small things, like preparing clothes or packing lunch, can reduce stress when Monday comes too fast.
I am glad we talked about this. Before this conversation, my weekend ideas were all mixed together in my head. Now I feel more organized. Rest, breakfast, shopping, movie, cleaning, friends, and family time.
I am glad too. Talking about plans can make them feel more real and more balanced. It also reminds us that weekends are not only for doing tasks, but also for enjoying life a little.
That is such a nice way to say it. I think I will start tomorrow with a slow morning and a good breakfast. Then I will see how I feel and enjoy each part of the day step by step.
That sounds like a perfect plan. I will do something similar and try not to rush through the weekend. We all need time to breathe, relax, and do things that make us feel good.
If the weather stays nice, maybe I will spend some time in the park too. I love sitting under the trees with a drink and just watching people walk by. It helps me feel calm and clear.
That is a great weekend activity. Fresh air can change your mood very quickly. If it does not rain, I may also spend some time outside instead of staying indoors all day.
And if it rains, I already have a backup plan. I can stay home, clean my room, make tea, and watch a movie. A quiet, rainy day can also be very beautiful in its own way.
I like that attitude. A good weekend does not need perfect weather. It just needs the right feeling, a little comfort, a little joy, and enough time to enjoy the small things.
Thank you, Alex. This conversation made me feel relaxed and excited for the weekend at the same time. I hope your plans go well, and I hope you enjoy every part of your Saturday and Sunday.
Thank you, Sophia. I hope your weekend is fun, peaceful, and full of good moments too. Maybe next Friday we can meet here again and talk about how our weekend plans really went.